EBSCO user interfaces are powerful online reference tools that offer a variety of popular databases from leading information providers. In this tutorial, we will look at the features of the result list, including refining your results with filters and bulk managing your results. After running a search, refine your results using the filters below the search box. You can also click the All Filters button to make selections from the full list of filters and facets. Click an arrow to expand a facet and reveal the selections available to you. You can filter your results to those published within a specific date range. Click Date Range to use the fields to enter a custom date range. To view results from a specific source type such as academic journals, magazines, or newspapers, open the Source Types facet and make your selections to filter your results. When viewing facets, you can use the search box at the top to search for a specific term to filter results. You can also sort facets by hit count or name. When more selections are available for a facet than are displayed, click the More link to view the full list. Depending on the databases searched, facets may include subjects, subject terms, company names, or publications. As you make selections, they are added to the Active Filters area. They can be removed from your search by clicking the X. A locked icon indicates that filters are sticky and remain applied for your updated searches until you manually clear them. You can disable this by clicking the icon. When you are done applying filters, click the Apply button to refresh your results. The number of applied filters is updated on the All Filters button. Please note that if configured by your institution's administrator, you may see the filter panel open by default on the left side of the result list screen. You can sort the result list by date or relevance using the drop-down list at the top. Click the bookmark icon to add an article to the dashboard. The dashboard is available for saving items during a single research session. Or you can sign into your personal account by clicking the My EBSCO link found at the top of the screen to permanently save results. From the result list, you can manage multiple results at once. After retrieving results, use the checkboxes to select articles in the result list, or click the checkbox at the top of the result list to select multiple records at once. If you use the top checkbox, click the drop-down arrow to view the available options. You can select all results currently displayed in the list. Select the first 50 results in the list, regardless of whether they are currently displayed or not, or clear your selections. Then select to download the metadata for the articles. Save them to the dashboard, add them to a project, share them via email or Google, or cite or export citations for the articles. When signed into your personal My EBSCO account, you can also select the first 500 results. When enabled by your institution's administrator, the Advanced Search Results page provides users with a result list page featuring the guided style advanced search boxes as well as an expandable search history. From the search history, users can combine searches run during the current session to further refine or expand their searches. For more information, visit EBSCO Connect at connect.ebsco.com.